we're gonna make a quick spicy stir fry. We're gonna season our oil as we go. Why don't you use some Frizzle, high heat cooking oil.
Right onto the Blackstone.
Now, sesame oil doesn't have a really high smoke point, so the high heat Frizzle is gonna give us a chance to get that heat up. I'm gonna cook some of those peppers. I wanna heat up the peppers in my oil with a bit of ginger. So now anything I cook in that oil is gonna have that flavor.
I'm not sure exactly which peppers you cut up.
The rings are jalapeños, the green Serrano, and then red Fresno, and then ginger.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
We're gonna do shrimp at the end,
okay?
Because
no one likes overcooked, rubbery shrimp.
Right, and that can happen pretty quick with your shrimp. So we've got some carrots, we got broccoli, some snow peas. Let's probably add a little bit more oil, don't you think?
A little sesame oil.
Okay. Season this up with a little salt and pepper. Now, I like to season in stages, so we will continue the seasoning process. Do we want to steam this in dome it?
Let's do it.
Why not? Whoa, good call. Way to play the wind.
You're welcome.
Veggies are done. We've had a few minutes. They're steaming. Onto the shrimp.
Onto the shrimp.
We got some more Frizzle going down.
You don't have to overthink shrimp.
And if you are going to use a sauce, wait, because it will likely have sugar and you don't want to burn.
Absolute pro tip. If that happens, add water while you go, and then you're good.
Also going to do is bring our peppers and the heat in right now.
Which would fall through on a regular grill.
Oh, yeah. Do you smell that ginger?
Oh, yeah. We'll go with our rice. This is where it all starts to come together. This makes me happy. Just a touch of water. Behind the back.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Pro moves.
Now, right when your shrimp is done, we're gonna mix everything together and then add our teriyaki sauce. Go for it. This looks great.
Yeah, this looks great.
I'm gonna go in with just a bit of green onion.
Now we're ready to plate, I think, right?
I think we are.
Let's do that.
Sesame seeds, I'll do
Got it. Got it.
I am a sucker for snow peas. I will grab the shrimp by the tail. Shrimp, you like?
Take it by the tail.
The heat's there. It's like a...
It's a slow ramp.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can make it as sweet or as heat as you would like, or a very sweet heat. We did the shrimp at the very end because it cooks so quick. However, if you're gonna do something like chicken or steak, you do wanna do that on the front end, and then you take it to your veggies.
Chicken definitely first. Maybe steak second. Or if you're doing ground pork.
Oh, that's nice.
Ground pork would be awesome.
Yeah, I love that.